Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question from Chelsea Reynolds that want to help her little hometown local debts with their logos. So this is the logo and I will show her how to recreate this logo in Canva. So let's go to Canva, choose custom size. I will make 1200 and 1200 and create new design. And I will change the background to other color like this red to make the design more visible while I create it. First, I will go to element and on the shapes, I will add star. I will change the star color to white and I will increase the size. I will increase more and place it in the center. You can see the line there. And then I will go to border style. I will add the border weight like this, about 15. And then I will add a circle. I will change the color of the circle to black and then I will reduce the size. I will place it here and then duplicate, place here, duplicate again, and I will increase the size and place it here and change the color to blue. And then I will type a text. I will change the color of the text to gray and then go to effect. I will just curve and let's place it here. I will reduce the curve number. Okay. And then I will duplicate it. I will type here Kentucky and go to effect, choose curve, and I will reduce the size, the number I mean, and I will move it here. Just more like this. Okay. And then I will add a new page and then I will go to upload and I will add this logo of Commonwealth of Kentucky. And then I will remove the background and remove one more. I will remove the circle and the text. Close it. Go to edit. Choose duotone. Choose custom. I will make it gray. So click the shadow. Choose this color picker and choose the gray of the text. Alright. And choose this one. And also make it the same gray. Alright. So I will cover this hollow and text with gray. So I will go to draw and change this color. Click plus button, click color picker and click here. So it has the same color, gray. And then use this one, the marker. And then I will, okay. And then increase the weight, alright, about 15 to cover this area and this area. Alright, and then I will increase the size of weight. Okay, now finish and close it. Can now add a square in this blue and I'll place it here. Center back and change the background of the page to crop it a little and change the background of the page to white. Now download this page as PNG page 2 only. Alright. Now type circle, enter, and then go to frame and add this circle. reduce the size to place it here in the center. I will increase a little. And then upload the PNG of page 2 here. Insert to the frame. Now I will add a text, a subheading, and I will type here Kentucky. I will change the color to white. I will go to Effect, choose Background, scroll down, make the roundness 0, and reduce the spread. Make sure the color is black, and then go to Curve, and let's place it here, and then adjust the curve, okay, like this. I will increase the letter spacing and go to Effect again and adjust the curve. All right, and then I will duplicate it, and I will type here green, and then I will rotate and place it here, rotate more, and I will place it here. Okay, and then I will add space before G and after N to increase the length of this black, and then duplicate it. I will change it to county, and then I will rotate. I will add a space before C and after Y, and I will rotate more and move it here. All right, and then I will duplicate this Kentucky. I will move it here. I will change it to coroner, and then I will duplicate this blue circle. Go to border style. I will increase the border weight like this, and I will click this color button, make it on color, and I will increase the size. I will paste it here. Okay, and then I will move it here. I will duplicate it and place the duplicate right on the origin and go to position, and I will select these two circle and then right click, download selection, because if you only choose one circle, the option of download selection will not appear. And then choose transparent background and download. Okay, now remove this group and then upload the PNG of the circle and then place it here, and then I will crop it here, and then in the position move it to the bottom. Now let's check it out. Okay, I think it's enough. Now you can change the background or remove the background. Okay, I will make it gray so it will still visible, and then click share, download PNG, transparent background, and choose page 1 only. Done and download. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.